Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 N970F/DS is a remarkable device that showcases the innovation and performance Samsung is known for. With its sleek design and premium build quality, the phone feels comfortable in hand. The 6.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED display is nothing short of stunning, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks that make media consumption a delight. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the visual experience is immersive and fluid. Powered by 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, the Note 10 handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is seamless, making it ideal for those who rely on their phones for productivity. The factory unlocked feature is a significant advantage, allowing users to choose their preferred carriers without any restrictions, which adds to its versatility. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Note 10 is the S Pen. The stylus is not just for note-taking, its Bluetooth capabilities allow you to control your phone remotely, which is perfect for taking photos or controlling presentations. The handwriting-to-text feature is surprisingly accurate, making it easier to jot down quick notes or ideas. Camera performance is another highlight. The triple camera setup captures stunning photos in various lighting conditions, thanks to the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Low-light photography is impressive, and the video capabilities are top-notch, including 4K recording and various effects. Battery life is satisfactory, lasting a full day with moderate to heavy usage. The device also supports fast charging, ensuring you can quickly power up during busy days. Overall, the Galaxy Note 10 N970F/DS is an exceptional smartphone that excels in performance, design, and features. It's a perfect choice for professionals and tech enthusiasts who appreciate functionality and style in one package. Despite its premium price, the investment is well worth it for the capabilities it offers.